Hello everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, we will draw a unique and creative lipstick together. Let's draw and paint together. First, we will draw the body of the lipstick. I'm drawing a small flower on the lipstick. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid. Now, I'm drawing the second lipstick. We will draw a heart on the body of this lipstick. Now, we are drawing the third lipstick. The third lipstick has a small smiley face. Now, we are drawing the fourth lipstick. We are drawing a star on the body of this fourth lipstick. We'll draw a pair of lips here. I will draw 4 different types of lipstick. I really like drawing lipstick. Please draw lipstick with me. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid. I will paint many colors like red, yellow, purple, green, orange, and many glitter colors for this painting. And you? Which of these colors do you like the most? The color of this lipstick is green. We're coloring this lipstick red. Which colors do you like best? You can any color you like to color these drawings. Remember to use your imagination and creativity. We're coloring this third lipstick purple. Our fourth lipstick is blue. We're painting these lips red. The picture is now very beautiful, isn't it? Wow! I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.